Hi guys! Welcome back to RNP Entertainment. My name is Syaikas.
My name is Muiz.
And today we're going to react to Gegar Vaganza
Musim ke-12,
Minggu ke-7. So guys, hari ni kita nak react artis daripada Singapura,
iaitu Iskandar Ismail.
Well, kita punya video, kita minta komen. Korang komen punya banyak.
Last week
Oi, dahsyat. Good job guys.
Thank you guys.
Thank you for all the comments and all the support. So, siapa yang belum subscribe, klik subscribe kat bawah ni. Free guys, just subscribe dulu, okay? And before kita nak react ni, kita nak cakap something Cakap, silakan.
So, kita punya video selalunya kita ada dapat banyak komen yang kenapa kita tak letak video original on the on our reaction is because due to some copyright punya issue lah guys. So dalam video ni kita ada letak in the description the original video of the performance.
The link check out. You can just check out the link lah below. There's the full video of the Gegar Vaganza lah. Special for our subscribers. Okay guys, so jangan buang masa. Let's go guys. Let's go. Here we go.
Jangan ditanya kemana ku pergi. Biarkan kau sendiri siapa diriku ini. Bukan merahkan jangan, tapi jaga imbang. Cuma yang ada segenggam setia.
Dahsyat. Woi, penat je lagu ni
All the way tinggi
Semput.
Lepaskanmu.
Alright, man. Woo. Okay, what do you think guys? For me, okay, personally, for me, I think dia punya low note okay, a bit better than previous round. Tapi dia punya bila part tadi, the first part where dia nak tarik, and the first part kita boleh dengar ada crack sikit suara dia. Mungkin sakit kot, ada sikit crack lah.
I think maybe kalau dia tak sakit pun, from the way we see lagu ni macam dia all the way tinggi tau. Mungkin dia penat lah nyanyi lagu ni. Kita yang dengar pun kita dah macam penat je.
Tapi lagu ni asyik tarik dia range kat situ je. So it's very tiring to sing this song.
Especially for a live performance maybe Iskandar dia ada challenges yang dia nak sustain dia punya note tu there. So that's why dia terpaksa kena crack.
Mungkin sebelum ni dia dah practice banyak kali katnya.
Ya, sampai dah penat.
Sebab nak practice lagu ni, dia asyik tarik. So when the time to perform, suara crack sikit.
Yeah.
I think that must be the reason lah. Because kalau you all listen back, there's a crack a bit bila dia at the first part where dia nak tarik lah. The rest okay. I think he did a good job, very good job again. Yeah.
Because kita tahu lagu ni not easy to bawa. Yes.
Yeah. So kita pun nyanyi juga, tapi kita kalau nak nyanyi macam gini boleh semput lah.
Dia lagu gini kita boleh nyanyi. Mungkin kita nyanyi satu lagu tu, lepas tu terus kita balik.
Terus kita nyanyi lagu ni, terus besok kita guys, okay, that's all for today concert lah. Finish our vocal power already today. Okay guys, so what do you think of Iskandar Ismail performance? Is it good? Don't forget to put your comment below guys.
Dan kalau korang suka video kita, don't forget to like and subscribe to our videos. And thank you for supporting RMP Entertainment.
Yes, thank you guys. Without your support, we are not here, we are like we are today.
Yeah, thank you guys.
So don't forget, we still also have other videos like bowling and like my music also. You can drop by and listen up to our music.
Kalau korang tak ada apa-apa, maybe korang subscribe, tengok video kita, ada video baru, why not come and support us. Anyway, subscribe button tu tak payah bayar pun guys, korang just subscribe aja.
Okay guys, so see you in the next episode of
Gegar Vergenza Reaction. Bye-bye.
Bye.